Okay, we are in Chapter 11 for Puppy Love Pampered Pooch, and we are going to go over RYS 11-2, and it's for creating depreciation entries. So upon review of the trial balance, you and Sadie agreed that you need to record the depreciation for the equipment purchased for $16,000. In this exercise, you will create the journal entry for September for the depreciation and then make it recurring. You will need to add depreciation as an other expense in a fixed asset account for the accumulated depreciation. Create a journal entry for September for 1 month's depreciation expense on the equipment with a 5-year life dated September 30th, 2026, and be sure to use Kennel for the class. So there are two ways that you can create a new account. You go to the gear on the top right, and then under your company, chart of accounts, and then you can click on the green new, and then you can type in the name depreciation, select account type, which would be a other expense, which would be at the bottom, and then the detail type would be depreciation, and then type in the description, and then click on save. Or for the and then also you can do that for the accumulated depreciation. Just type in the accumulated depreciation, and then that would be a fixed asset account, and then that would be an accumulated depreciation, and then the start date can be whatever, it can be stay that same. Opening balance stays blank, and then description is accumulated depreciation, and for that one also click save. Otherwise you'd go up to new, and then journal entry, and then start typing in depreciation, and then click on add new depreciation, and then this is a other expense, and detail type is depreciation, and then the name, the description is depreciation, and then you click save and close, and then you do the same for the accumulated depreciation. You start typing in accumulated depreciation in the account line column, and then on line 2, and then you click on add new, and then this box would pop up, and then it is a fixed asset account, and then you define the accumulated depreciation, and for the name you'd type in accumulated depreciation. For description, accumulated depreciation, and then you click save and close. And then after you've added the account, the debit that they want you to record is $266.67, and the on line 2 is the accumulated depreciation, and that fills in the credits automatically. And then for the description, they want you to type in adjustment for depreciation, and then for the journal number is 80J for depreciation, and the journal date will be 9/30/2026, and then they also want you to add the class Kennel, and then you will save. Don't click on the green save and new or save and close, just click on the one on the left that just says save, and it'll save it, and the green check mark will come up letting you know you saved it. And then after that's done saving, then you'll go down to the bottom and in the middle, make recurring, and template name be ADJ for depreciation. The start date will be October 31st, 2026, because you already created the journal entry for September 30th, 2026, so the start date will be the next last day of the next month, which will be October. And then you'll do after, and it'll be completed after 59 occurrences because they want you to do it for 59 months. So it's monthly on the first, then rolls last day, one time a month, and can be scheduled. And then you'll click Save Template on the bottom right. And then a green check mark. And then that will be all you do for RYS 11-2.